Hello my people, welcome back to Venvenmusic and Country Life. Today I will be showing you an easy way how to get rid of your cough, your cold and congestion. An easy way how to get rid of that. Easy homemade remedy you'd want to try. But in the meantime, if you have not yet subscribed, click the subscription button below. Remember, leave your comments, leave me a thumbs up, and don't forget to share. And remember to eat healthy, live healthy, and be happy. So let's get straight to it. Here I have the mixture. Now it will start springing the water on the first day. Yes? And I'm going to show you the juice that has formed from it. Here you have it. And this is what you will drink for your cough, your cold, your congestion. And it will definitely relieve all of that for you. And this is safe for children as well, adults and the old. Very effective. This is one of the remedies that I grew up on. Yes, it does work. So I'm going to taste a little for you. Really good. Oh, this is an excellent remedy and the children will definitely enjoy this. Then I will add 3 cloves of garlic. And I will crush these. Then I will add it to the turnips. Then I will drizzle my honey over the turnip and the garlic. And this is what it will be looking like. Enjoyable and very effective. Remember to eat healthy, live healthy, and be happy. So stay tuned, stay connected for another awesome, informative, and exciting Country Life video.